Meaning of incongruously.
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 Incongruously. The term incongruously refers to something that is out of place or does not fit in with its surroundings. It can describe a situation where an object or idea seems mismatched or awkward within its context. For example, if a clown was spotted sitting in a library, it would be considered an incongruous sight because clowns are typically associated with circuses and amusement parks, not quiet reading rooms. Incongruity can create a sense of confusion, surprise, or amusement depending on the context in which it is experienced. Overall, incongruity results in a feeling of discordance and disruption.